Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide the product tags in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to the products and basically we can see that each product would have a name, stock, price, category, and also tags. And basically, if we want to hide any one of these items, we will need either to start messing with the code of the functions of our WooCommerce, and which is not very advisable, but which we better just add some plugins that will do this work more efficiently and more correctly. So simply we need just to go to the plugins, add plugins, and then you will need just to check for this plugin. And basically it is the hide cart functions. And this plugin would allow us to customize our cart functions. And simply this is the one that you will need to install and click on activate. And now we need just to search for our plugin here. And after that, we need just to go to the WooCommerce and we will find the hide functions that would have been added. And basically, by going to hide function, we will be able to start adding the new function that you want to delete. In our case, we want just to disable the product tags. And here we need just to search for the override price tag or any we need just we have the products IDs and etc. And simply add the elements of the tags and basically it would be the item tag or it would be called tag. So you will need just to know the class of the tag elements, and by adding it you will need just to add these settings and you will have the tag that has been disabled completely. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.